Welcome to Teller's Drum, the exact spot you want to be. Let's talk about the world's most dangerous animals. When we think of dangerous animals, images of lions, sharks, and crocodiles often come to mind. But danger isn't always measured in size. Some of the deadliest creatures on Earth are surprisingly small, often no larger than a coin, yet capable of delivering venom, disease, or painful stings that can kill in minutes. From tiny jellyfish to venomous frogs, these miniature assassins prove that size isn't everything when it comes to survival. Let's explore some of the world's smallest yet deadliest animals and what makes them so lethal. The box jellyfish, Chironix fleckeri, size 10 feet, tentacle length, bell about 6 inches wide. Where it's found: coastal waters of Australia, Southeast Asia, and the Indo-Pacific. This seemingly delicate, translucent jellyfish is one of the most venomous creatures in the ocean. Its tentacles are lined with thousands of microscopic, harpoon-like stingers filled with venom that attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. A single sting can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, cardiac arrest, and even death, sometimes within minutes. Victims describe the pain as burning and unbearable, and scars from the stings can last for months. The worst part? Box jellyfish are nearly invisible in the water, making them a silent killer for unsuspecting swimmers. The poison dart frog, Phyllobates terribilis, size 2 inches. Where it's found: rainforests of Central and South America. Don't let its dazzling colors fool you. This tiny amphibian is packed with deadly toxins. Indigenous tribes in Colombia have long used the frog's potent skin secretions to coat their blowgun darts for hunting, which is how it got its name. The golden poison dart frog, the most toxic of them all, carries enough batrachotoxin to kill 10 adult humans, or 20,000 mice. The poison prevents nerves from transmitting signals, causing muscle paralysis and heart failure. Even a slight touch can be fatal. Interestingly, these frogs only develop their toxicity from their natural diet in the wild. Captive bred ones are harmless. The mosquito, Anopheles, Aedes, and Culex species. Size 0.1 to 0.2 inches where it's found, worldwide, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. It might not have venomous fangs or deadly stingers, but the mosquito is responsible for more human deaths than any other animal. These tiny insects spread diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever, and West Nile virus. Every year, mosquitoes cause over 700,000 deaths worldwide, with malaria alone infecting millions. Their ability to breed rapidly and adapt to different environments makes them one of the most persistent and dangerous creatures on the planet. The blue-ringed octopus, Hopalochlana, size 5 to 8 inches, tentacle span, body about the size of a golf ball. Where it's found: tidal pools and shallow waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Despite its small size, this mesmerizing octopus is one of the ocean's most venomous animals. When threatened, it flashes bright blue rings as a warning, a sign you should take seriously. The blue-ringed octopus carries tetrodotoxin, a powerful neurotoxin that can cause total body paralysis and respiratory failure within minutes. A single octopus has enough venom to kill 26 adult humans, and there is no known antidote. Because its bite is often painless, victims may not realize they've been envenomated until it's too late. The tsetse fly, Glossina species, size 0.2 to 0.6 inches. Where it's found: sub-Saharan Africa. The tsetse fly may look like an ordinary housefly, but it carries a deadly secret. It transmits African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness. Once bitten, the parasite enters the bloodstream and attacks the nervous system, leading to fever, confusion, sleep disturbances, and eventually coma and death if untreated. Sleeping sickness has historically caused devastating epidemics in Africa and remains a major health threat today. The cone snail, Conus species, size 4 to 6 inches. Where it's found: warm coastal waters, particularly in the Indo-Pacific. Snails aren't usually associated with danger, but the cone snail is an exception. Its beautifully patterned shell hides a harpoon-like tooth loaded with venom, which it uses to hunt fish and defend itself. A single sting, known as the cigarette sting, because victims reportedly only have time to smoke a cigarette before dying, can cause paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. Some species, like the geographic cone snail, produce toxins, which block nerve signals, making them some of the most venomous creatures on Earth. There is no known antidote, and deaths often occur due to suffocation from paralysis. The pufferfish, Tetraodontidae, size 6 to 24 inches, varies by species. Where it's found: coastal waters of Asia, the Pacific, and the Indian Ocean. Pufferfish, also known as fugu in Japan, contain tetrodotoxin, a poison 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. Just a few milligrams can cause paralysis, suffocation, and death. Despite the danger, pufferfish is a delicacy in Japanese cuisine, but only highly trained chefs are allowed to prepare it. Even a minor mistake in preparation can be fatal for diners. Unlike other venomous creatures, pufferfish don't actively attack. They're only deadly if consumed. The bullet ant, Paraponera clavata, size 1 inch. Where it's found: rainforests of South America. Known for delivering the most painful insect sting in the world, the bullet ant's venom contains a powerful neurotoxin called poneratoxin, which causes excruciating pain, temporary paralysis, and uncontrollable shaking. The sting has been compared to being shot, lasting up to 24 hours. In some South American tribes, young warriors undergo a painful initiation ritual where they wear gloves filled with bullet ants as a test of endurance. Though not typically fatal, the sheer intensity of the pain makes it one of nature's most feared small creatures. While size often gives an illusion of power, these tiny creatures prove that nature doesn't play by human rules. Whether through venom, disease, or sheer pain, these small but deadly animals command respect and caution. From the unseen sting of a jellyfish to the silent bite of an octopus, the world's most dangerous creatures aren't always the ones we expect. So next time you think about the most dangerous animals on Earth, remember: sometimes, the deadliest ones are the ones you never see coming. Would you dare to encounter any of these creatures in the wild? Thank you for watching.